Hi everyone, my name is Corrine Perry, and today I will be presenting on the needs assessment portion, supporting my previously selected topic on librarians leading and managing information literacy. The goal of this discussion is to take a look at my learners and attempt to understand their needs in an effort to determine an effective teaching strategy to connect with the majority of the learners listening to this instruction. Initially, we determined as instructional librarians that an effective evaluation method needs to be created, established, and utilized to assess student learning levels and determine a measurable starting point. This includes observing and analyzing the attention of the learner, applying a test for determining their competency levels with respect to the topic being taught, and then a distribution of an evaluation analysis tool for assessing learning abilities. A sample evaluation analysis handout is included in the supplemental materials supporting this presentation, where learners' achievement and ability, experience, attitudes, performance context, and learning context are all evaluated based on a set of related questions pertaining to the librarian field. Instructional background begins for this assessment strategy with understanding the ARCS model of motivational design. This model includes four main and key components to developing a motivational strategy in learners, including a focus on their attention, relevance, confidence level, and overall satisfaction. Studies have found that students generally need to be able to connect the lessons they learn to applicable skills they use to retain the material and maintain interest. There is a balance that should be established with confidence as it pertains to too much confidence. Essentially, the average student does not want to hear from the student who knows too much, but they also do not have patience with the learners who know nothing. Their amount of derived satisfaction is also crucial. Positive reinforcement is important, and students want to feel that their efforts are recognized and achievable rather than overwhelmingly demanding. Support is really key. Research indicates that one of the strongest predicators of use of new skills in a new setting is the support received by the learner. If a manager ignores or punishes these new skills, then the use of the new skills in the learners will dwindle or cease altogether. Praise really does go a long way, and practicing managerial skills as a positive coach or mentor reinforcer are really effective. Understanding technology and using it develops self-regulated, autonomous, egalitarian skills where online environments build standardization rather than customization. Online learners are generally self-paced and independent type learners. The needs assessment strategy needs to understand the key concepts influencing learners prior to implementation of a learning strategy. These concepts include entry skills, prior knowledge of the topic being taught, attitudes toward content, the ARCS model again, educational and ability levels, general learning preferences, attitudes toward the organization giving instruction, and group characteristics. After acknowledging these concepts, the ADDIE model can then be used for analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. So how do you determine competency related to information literacy? Well, you can administer a competency model test. An example is also provided in the supplemental materials supporting this presentation. The focus of the example model assesses analysis of tasks, strategy, search and find abilities, evaluation capabilities, manipulation techniques, organization, and communication skills, among others. By ranking these skills on a 1 to 5 level, with 1 being excellent and 5 being incomplete, an instructional librarian can assess the average level of competency for their learners using a content analysis approach to analysis, or similarly related. This competency test is applicable for all forms of information literacy assessment. Finally, an instructional librarian focused on management can then assess the results and determine needs and interests. Below are examples of other methods by which they can achieve their results. Ideally, a strategically effective manager would focus on their students and develop a teaching strategy to meet their needs. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact me at kperry.2016 or 2016@marshall.usc.edu. Thank you.